Hey guys, I have some exciting news. Exciting? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome to Simply Niqua. That is my channel. So since I haven't done a book related video in a while, because the last book review that I did, I took a little break of reading, and then I was trying to find a good book to read, and then there we go. And then now I am reading at the moment a book called Royally Screwed by Emma Chase, and it's wonderful, and I'm over halfway through now, and be sure there will be a book review very soon. I should be done with it next week, so look for the book review in a week or two, because oh my gosh, that book is amazing. But this video isn't about this book today. So today I have some exciting news. One of my favorite authors is coming out with a new book, and this book is coming out on the 23rd of this month. 23rd. So it's really exciting. The author is Kendall Ryan. I read a lot of her books, so I'm excited to tell you that this book comes out on the 23rd, and you should be looking out for it and buying it. So before I give you more thoughts on it, I am going to tell you what it's about. So since I can't do a full review on it this time, I'm going to tell you what the book is about. So it all started with a sexy selfie. Text to the wrong number. Oops. Not my finest moments, but I have nothing to be ashamed of. She thought I was no better, and I quote, "Then the knuckle dragon douchebags she was never dating again. It was stupid dare from a girl I met online, but since she given me a fake number, I didn't feel bad that my interest was suddenly focused somewhere else on the very sharp-tongued Peyton, and I found myself sparing over text the following day. My case of mistaken identity came back to bite me in the banana. When I strolled into the office, I was introduced to Peyton as the new client I needed to win over. The Peyton, in case you're not tracking, and let's just say she had my full attention. Brains, check. Beauty, oh yeah. And the best part, she hated me on sight. Dear God, do I have a challenge? Let the games begin. So that is what this book is about. I forgot to tell you what this book is even called. Pardon me. So this book is called Junk Mail, and it's coming on the 23rd, and it's by Kendall Ryan, and that was what the book is about. So yeah, this is the first impression of what the description about this book is. Like check marks, like 15,000 check marks all around. It makes you want to read it, makes you want to read it now, makes you want to know the story just by the back cover. I love books when it's like that, and you're just in it right off the bat, and you haven't even read one chapter yet. So I loved it, and it makes me excited for this book to come out, excited to read this book, and love this book, and love these two characters, and know their story. So I just wanted to come on here to give you a little heads up on some special news in the book world. I'm for sure 100% recommend you to buy this book, get this book on the 23rd, and be amongst the world of junk mail. And I sure am going to read this book as well, and even give you a book review. So if you're excited for this book and excited to read, go down below and give me a like. Are you excited for this to come out? Did you know if this is what's coming out? Go ahead down below, give me a like, and yeah, tell me if you're gonna read this or not. I really would love to see who else is gonna read it, who else is excited about it. And yeah, I just want to do like a little short video to tell you these important little book crazy cool news that's coming out this month on the 23rd. Junk Mail by Kendall Ryan. Oh my god, I'm excited. So that's basically it for now, but go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the great notification bell so be notified first for all the other videos that I do, and especially the book reviews that I do in the week, in the months, whatever. And since you be notified first, you be notified of the book review that I'm going to do with Royally Screwed, and you be already subscribed and notified to when I do a book review on Junk Mail. So I hope you're excited for those two book reviews. It's coming up, and I have a lot more books to read and to review for you guys. guys, so don't be disappointed as this takes me a little while since I have to read it first. So no worries. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and let me get you excited, get you pumped for this book. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another video. Bye.